rear differential fluid replacement. It's easy. It's really easy, fast procedure. How much oil, I'm not 100% sure right now. I'm gonna research, but the thing is, so that's them right there. So we have rear differential. So we have a drain bolt and a little bit up there, actually from this side, right here in the middle of the screen is fill bolt. First we're gonna loosen that one, then we will loosen drain bolt, drain all the fluid, put the drain bolt back, and fill with fluid. That's it, simple procedure. Okay, just replace your differential fluid. Need 8mm attachment tool. Pretty easy for drain and fill bolt. 8mm. Took approximately a little bit over a quart of fluid. Not sure exactly how much, like 1.2 quart. I stopped pumping when it started coming out from the fill hole. Let it sit for a couple minutes to drain any excess fluid, and just tighten it. But I will show you front differential because it's I can feel much better quality video and show you exactly. I already loosened bolts. Now let's see. Okay, so let's start. Front differential fluid, Mercedes ML.
Hi, I'm not sure what happened to the camera. There is no audio recorded, so I'll just guide you through the video. Right now I'm editing at my home at the computer, so I went under the car. Already loosened those bolts. Car is on the jacks, so that side is what I was showing is driver side. So front differential is more on the driver side. That's a fill bolt, and on top is drain bolt. Loosen both of them. First I'm going to take out fill bolt. Okay, it takes 8mm socket or Allen wrench, 8mm for fill and drain bolt. Okay, has a little bit of residue, that's like metal shavings, not much. Oil is not dirty there either, we'll see. Okay, now I will remove drain bolt. Okay, as you see, oil has been changed some time ago. It's not bad at all, but I didn't know that, so I decided to change front and rear differential while I had the car on a stand. It's a little bit of metal shavings on top on a magnet. What is very important, you need to buy these gaskets that comes on a drain and fill bolt. Need 2 gaskets. Very important. I didn't know that they are there, so I replace it without them. It's not leaking, but I would recommend to get it. It is important to have it to prevent any leaks. And then after all fluid will be drained, I'm just gonna connect my pump the fluid in a fill bolt until it start coming out, and that's it. After that, just put the fill bolt in and you're done. Simple as that. Very quick procedure, easy.